Alright, welcome back. So now we're going to be looking at how we convert a fraction to a decimal, or what the relationship with them is. So we're asked express each of the following proper fractions and mixed numerals as decimals. So here we just have two proper fractions, and we have 9 groups of 10. Now everything on the left hand side of the decimal has to be a whole number or larger. So we know we don't have that. But what do we do have? We have first, the decimal place here is out of 10s. The second decimal place would be out of 100. And then out of 1,000 and so on. We have 9 groups of 10. We don't write it as 0.9 out of 10. We write it as 0.9. For the second one, we have 3/10. It's less than 0, so we put 0 and then decimal point. And we know that the first decimal place is out of 10, so it's not 0.3. Okay, let's have a look at another one. We have 4 out of 10, and we need to convert it to a decimal. We know that the first decimal place is out of 10, so 4 out of 10 is just 0.4. For our second one, it's a bit different. We have a mixed numeral. We have a whole number 2, and then 25 out of 100. This is a little bit tricky. So we know we have the whole number in units 2, but we have 25 out of 100. This is the same as adding 20 out of 100 and 5 out of 100. Now, 20 out of 100 can be reduced further. It can be divided top and bottom by 10, and the result is going to be 2 plus 2 over 10 plus 5 over 100. Now that we can see that 20 out of 100 is actually 2/10, we can rewrite this as a decimal. 2 is our whole number, point, then 2/10 is just 2, and 5/100 is just 5. So 2 and 25 out of 100 is just 2.25. Okay, this is our last example. So, in our first one, we have 12 out of 100. And we need to remember that this can be rewritten. This is the same as 10 out of 100 plus 2 out of 100. And we can cancel by dividing the top and the bottom by 10, so we're left with 1/10. So this is the same as 1 over 10 plus 2 over 100. Now we know that it's not bigger than 1, so it's 0. And then we need to do 1/10 and 2/100. So 12 out of 100 is equal to 0.12. 5 and 8/10, we have a mixed number. So we have a whole number of 5 plus 8 groups of 10. This is the same as 5 units, the decimal place, and 8/10 would just be 8. So 5 and 8/10 is just 5.8. Okay, these were super simple examples, and later on we'll get into some harder ones, but you really do need to know how to just do this with fractions that either end in 10, 100, or 1000, so that you can easily convert between basic fractions and decimals. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.